During this presentation, we will be going through the Insight Quanta app, how you can go about purchasing it, how to utilize the activation codes, and then how to actually import the frequencies from your fellow Genius Insight user. So first and foremost, contact one of your local agents or distributors to purchase the Insight Quanta. Another alternative is you can do this directly through our website, quantumhealthapps.com. Navigate to the apps and then click on the Insight Quanta capsule. Once you've made the purchase, you will be instantly redirected to an email with a download link as well as your activation code. So for the sake of this demonstration, I've already actually purchased the Quanta capsule, and this is the kind of email that you will be receiving. Download and activation codes, Insight Quanta Cap. If you scroll down a bit, you will have the iOS download as well as the Android download, and then the activation code. This is a one-time activation code, and this will only work on one specific device. Once you have activated your purchase, you will not need this code again. Be sure to follow the instructions for Apple if you have the untrusted developer box appear. Alternatively, you have the Android download instructions below as well. So let's go ahead and download the Insight Quanta. Once you get to this page, you see the install button. Select the install, click on the install, and you are prompted to this page. Click the home button, and then look for the icon that is beginning with the installation. As you can see, it's installed down on the bottom. Let's go ahead and click on it. Let's go ahead and open up the app. And I'm going to go ahead and complete the form right now. So this is a one-time registration. You will not need to do this again. What is important to remember is that this form that you are completing, this registered email address, is going to be the email that your Genius Insight practitioners can actually send the Insight or the Genius Insight frequencies to. So make sure you have the correct email address that you actually want to receive the Genius Insight frequencies on. Click OK, registration successful, and now it asks you for the activation key. So let's go ahead and open up the email. As you can see, we have the activation key over there. I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Go back to the Insight Quanta, and let's go ahead and paste, and we click activate. Now the activation is successful. So as I mentioned to you beforehand, that is the only time you will need that activation key. Now the next step is when one of the Genius Insight practitioners actually sends you a Insight Quanta. In other words, they're actually sending you the frequencies. So this is something which I have already done. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through that process as well. So essentially, once somebody sends you that frequency, you will actually get it as an email. And this is what the email will look like. And inside the email, it will give you a code. This code will change with each email or each new set of frequencies that you actually receive. So let's just go ahead and copy that, which we've done. And then we go to the Insight Quanta. Now in the top right hand corner we have the navigation. Just a word of caution, the import fractals and contact support is not yet available. We will have that completed shortly. Go ahead and click on the import Genie Quanta, enter your Genius code, and I'm just going to go ahead and paste, and we're going to click OK. And as you can see, it is now immediately imported the items that your practitioner has sent to you from the Genius Insight. Next step, you drag one of them or you drag all of them, depending upon what you feel, or alternatively, what your practitioner has suggested. You drag them down to the tray in the bottom. Go ahead and select your timer. I would go anywhere from about 10 minutes to about 15 minutes, and you select start. During this process, it is now generating the frequencies that have been transmitted from the Genius Insight that are now inside the Insight Quanta. You can do this as often as you like. You can do it every day, absolutely no problem. Thank you.